All right, we working, getting it done. Me and this girl working it out. Nephew on the prowl, Rastaman. Yes, sir. Look at this. It looks beautiful in here. Got it going on. It's ready for habitat. I'm still coming around. Let me see. Well, hey, y'all all show up. Chad gonna be over here with me. We all getting here. All this coming out of here today. On this side, I'm tired of working around it. Steady getting closer and closer. Got Kevin some power in. Dresser, drawers. It's going down. What's up, Sco? Tell him, Roscoe, you don't want no problem with me. It's my dog, boy. Tell him, Sco. Yes, sir. Good boy, good boy.